Cold open. The stock that would not stop hitting upper circuit. India's most hyped stock today is not a quiet blue chip. It is Vedant Iron and Steel, ticker WISL. It listed near 20 rupees on NSE on 15th June, then ran to roughly 35 rupees and 66 paise by 30th June while hitting repeated upper circuits. That stretches the move to more than 70% since listing. That is not a normal steel stock move. That is price discovery with a megaphone. The contrarian thesis is simple: the rally can be real and still be dangerous. This is a newly listed demerger story where investors are valuing a business before the market has a long independent trading history, stable reporting rhythm, or settled ownership base. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 2. The main question: unlock or trap? The headline says 70% rally. The retention question is sharper: did the demerger unlock hidden value, or did it create a temporary scarcity trade? Think of a new restaurant from a famous hotel chain. The brand gets attention on day one. The crowd gives momentum. But eventually the restaurant needs its own menu, its own reviews, and its own profit record. WISL has the Vedant name, steel assets, and India infrastructure narrative. But after an upper circuit run, the market is no longer asking whether the story is exciting. It is asking whether price has already outrun proof. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 3. Why WISL became the hype stock? WISL became the hype stock because it combines three things Indian retail loves: a famous promoter group, a fresh listing, and a simple industrial story. It came from the Vedant demerger, one of the biggest restructuring events in India this year. 4 demerged businesses listed separately on 15th June. WISL was the iron and steel piece. When a conglomerate breaks into focused companies, investors rush to decide which piece is the hidden jewel. Here the market latched onto iron and steel quickly. The first micro payoff is this: WISL is not only being valued as a steel company. It is being valued as a clean new story. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 4. The demerger battleground. The demerger is the heart of the setup. Vedant separated businesses so each vertical could trade with its own identity. That can create value because a focused business has clearer capital allocation, clearer peer comparison, and a cleaner scorecard. But a demerger can also create excitement before the numbers settle. Price discovery after listing can be messy. Liquidity can be squeezed. Delivery-only or trade-to-trade rules can change behavior. Investors may chase the best-performing entity simply because it is moving. That is why this video treats WISL not like a mature steel stock, but like a newly listed demerger asset under price discovery stress. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 5. What the company actually does. The business itself is not random. Reports describe Vedant Iron and Steel as having operations across India and Africa, with exposure to iron ore exploration, mining and processing, plus steel, wire rods, TMT bars, pig iron, ductile iron pipes, ferrosilicon, cement, and metallurgical coke. Put simply, this is an industrial chain story. It sits near materials, infrastructure, construction, and India's long-term capex cycle. The analogy is a supply kitchen for infrastructure. Roads, housing, factories, railways, and energy assets all need metals. That gives the narrative power. But narrative is not enough. Steel is cyclical, margins swing, commodity prices turn, and input costs bite. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 6. The listing Math Business Standard reported Whistle listed at 20 rupees on NSE and 22 rupees and 25 paise on BSE. By 30th June, it hit a record high around 35 rupees and 66 paise on NSE. Economic Times reported market cap nearly doubled from about 7,821 crore rupees to about 13,941 crore rupees. That kind of move pulls every retail scanner toward the same name. The second micro-payoff is this: a 70% move does not automatically mean the market discovered value. Sometimes it means the market is still trying to find a clearing price. In a fresh listing, price can move faster than fundamentals can be proven. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 7. Upper circuit mechanics. Explained simply, upper circuits matter because they change behavior. When a stock keeps locking at the upper circuit, it creates psychological shortage. Buyers feel they cannot get enough stock. Sellers feel they should wait. Social media sees green and calls it strength. But an upper circuit is a trading mechanism, not fundamental validation. Think of a door that opens only a little each day. If everyone wants to enter and few people exit, the crowd builds outside. That can push the next opening higher. But when sellers appear, the same crowd can become fragile. Whistle circuit behavior is the engine of hype and the warning signal at the same time. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 8. Financial reporting reality check. This is where the script stays honest. Whistle does not yet have the long independent public company track record investors get from Tata Steel, JSW Steel, or SAIL. Value Research showed revenue TTM as 0 crore rupees and PE unavailable because earnings were negative. Market Screener summarized FY 2026 as a small net loss of 0.366 million Indian rupees, with basic loss per share from continuing operations of 3 rupees and 66 paise. Those numbers may reflect the early post-demerger reporting base rather than the full future industrial story, but they matter. The point is not that Whistle has no assets. The point is that price is moving faster than a mature scoreboard exists. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 9. Valuation. The price-to-book warning. Value Research showed APB around 32.5 times and noted a major premium to peers. Price-to-book is not perfect for a newly listed demerged company, but it is a useful warning light. A high PB tells you the market is paying far above book value for story, asset separation, and future potential. The pizza analogy works. Book value is the base slice. The market is paying for toppings that may arrive later. If the toppings arrive, the price can make sense. If they do not, the buyer paid premium restaurant prices for dough. That is the valuation risk behind the green candle. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 10. The bull case. The bull case is clear. India's infrastructure cycle remains powerful. Steel and iron ore are tied to roads, railways, urbanization, manufacturing, energy, and construction. A focused Whistle can be easier to analyze than when the business was buried inside Vedant. The Vedant name gives market attention. The demerger can create sharper incentives. Operations across India and Africa can give resource depth. If independent reporting improves, if margins are strong, if capex is disciplined, and if commodity cycles cooperate, Whistle could earn a cleaner valuation. The bull case is not just that the stock went up. It is that the market may be discovering a focused metals platform. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 11. What the market is really pricing. This is the mid-video reveal. The market may be pricing three things at once: demerger unlock, scarcity of a clean new Vedant Metals story, and the hope that India capex supports steel demand. The hype is not only about today's profit. It is about future identity. Investors are saying this business may deserve to stand alone. But identity is not earnings. A new ticker makes a company easier to understand, but it does not remove commodity cycles, debt needs, cost pressure, or execution risk. The market is pulling future belief into today's price. That can work if numbers follow. It can unwind if numbers disappoint. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 12. Volume, circuits, and retail psychology. Fresh listings become retail magnets because the story is easy to repeat: demerger, famous group, upper circuit, 70% move, record high. That is a thumbnail by itself. But this is where traders confuse attention with durability. Volume shows interest. Upper circuits show imbalance. A record high shows momentum. None of those tells you normalized earnings power. None tells you commodity margins 6 months from now. Use the chart as a behavior map, not a valuation report. The chart tells you where the crowd is running. The financials tell you whether the ground under the crowd is strong. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 13. Bear case. What can break first? The bear case is simple and uncomfortable. The stock may be ahead of fundamentals. The newly listed entity may need time to prove independent earnings. Steel cycles can turn quickly. If iron ore or steel prices weaken, excitement can fade. If next filings do not support the valuation, the premium can compress. If upper circuits stop and sellers appear, momentum can reverse faster than late buyers expect. There is also demerger complexity. Investors must understand assets, liabilities, capital allocation, and segment economics. The bear case is not that Whistle is fake. The bear case is that a real company can still become an overheated stock. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 14. Neutral scenario. The messy middle. The neutral scenario may be most realistic. Whistle may be a serious industrial asset, but the stock may need time to digest the rally. It can trade sideways, consolidate, and wait for more data. It can remain popular but stop hitting upper circuits. It can develop a new institutional base after the early listing frenzy. That messy middle is hard for retail because it lacks drama. But it may be healthy. A stock cannot live forever on listing excitement. Eventually it needs quarterly reporting, segment clarity, margin evidence, and capital allocation proof. Neutral means good story, strong move, now show the numbers. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 15. If then framework. If Whistle keeps hitting circuits without new fundamental disclosures, the move is mostly momentum and scarcity. If the next financials show strong revenue, margins and cash generation, the demerger unlock case gets more evidence. If the stock breaks below recent circuit levels on heavy selling, the crowd may be shifting from scarcity to profit booking. If steel and iron ore sentiment improve, the sector tailwind supports the story. If commodity prices weaken or input costs rise, the story gets tested. If institutions build positions after the frenzy, that matters. If the shareholder base remains mostly chase-driven, volatility risk stays high. This is not trade advice. It is a checklist. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 16. What 99% of retail misses. Most retail viewers miss that a demerger creates two kinds of value: economic value and attention value. Economic value comes from better operations, better margins, better capital allocation, and better cash flow. Attention value comes from a new ticker, a big name, a green chart, and limited early supply. Whistle has clearly created attention value. The question is whether economic value catches up. That is the entire long-form edge. Do not ask only why the stock is up. Ask what improved in the evidence chain since listing. If the answer is only price, the market is moving faster than proof. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 17. Final rating: great content, high risk setup as content. Whistle is a 9.5 out of 10 topic today. It is fresh, viral, easy to understand, and packed with tension. As a stock setup, it is much riskier. The company has a real industrial narrative and a massive demerger backdrop, but the stock has already run hard. That means the video should not be framed as a buy now story. It should be framed as hype versus evidence. The best title is Whistle Stock, 70% Upper Circuit Mania or Demerger Trap. That title tells the audience why they should care and tells them this will not be lazy cheerleading. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. 18. Closing checklist. Before reacting to the next Whistle candle, use the checklist. Is there a new company filing? Is there fresh revenue or margin evidence? Is the upper circuit still driven by scarcity? Has volume changed? Are sellers appearing? Are institutions accumulating? What is happening to steel and iron ore sentiment? Is valuation still far above peers? Has management explained capital allocation? If the update changes those items, it matters. If it only changes mood, be careful. Whistle is the hottest Indian stock story today because the market loves a new rocket. But the best investors do not only watch rockets. They check the fuel, payload and landing plan. This video is for education only and is not investment advice. This keeps the retention loop alive because every section has one job: separate price action from evidence. Viewers should leave with a checklist, not a slogan. The stock can be exciting, but the analysis has to stay disciplined. The final reminder is simple: hype starts the conversation, but filings, margins, commodity cycles, and valuation decide whether the story survives.